We are pleased to show you the 2015 Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, stability control, traction control, keyless entry, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, driver airbag. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.